Oh my gosh. This is Aldi's. Wow. Wow. They have things like chips and cookies and snacks, and there's flour and baked goods and picklings and mayonnaise and stuff like that. More snacks, but literally the entire deli, cheese, meat, seafood, that section's completely empty. The rest of the aisles have a lot in them. Like if you need tuna fish or, well, I haven't checked that out yet though. Toilet paper, we're good on that. So you better get your shopping done. Okay, so continuing on here at Aldi's, no butter, no bacon, no cheese. Not that I care about bacon, but no yogurt, no juice, no dairy, no milk, no eggs. They got signs on the window, even in the beginning of the store saying the same thing. No perishables. But if you come around the corner, all the other items are fully in stock and available, including Christmas items. Who needs that right now, right? And then you come over to the cooler here, and empty. Not one thing available whatsoever in any of these coolers. Zero, nada, zilch. There are a few things in the center aisle of the coolers, so you might want to take a look at those. So, there are a few things, not much. Show you what they have. Grab what you can get. Thank God I'm a vegetarian, so I don't need much. I would have liked to have had oat milk though, but these coolers are pretty much zeroed out. I'm not a meat eater, so this is pretty disgusting, but anyways, they do have some hams. They got turkeys, and I gotta yell right now because there's a cart that's rolling along, and so if you eat this kind of stuff, I guess you're okay. More empty, and that was the center aisle.